How to create a business email account in cPanel. So let's see this step by step. First, log into your cPanel using the login details provided by your hosting company. When we log into cPanel, this is the cPanel dashboard we see. To create a business email account, enter the Email Accounts section under Email in this cPanel settings page. Next, in this page, first click the Create button. Next, in this page, first select your business website's domain if you have more than one domain set up in cPanel. Enter the username for the business email account in this field. Next, you can enter your own password for the business email account. Or you can use an alternate email account to set up the login password. I will be setting my own password for the business email account in this video. We can either create our own password or generate a random, strong, and secured password for the business email account by clicking this Generate button. I will be setting my own password for the business email account in this video. We need to enter a strong and secure password in this field. And finally, click the Create button. Done. The business email account has been created. You can see the business email account in the list of email accounts created in cPanel. This is how you can create a business email account in cPanel. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video.